Luminous Minds is an early learning platform for children ages 3 to 8. On our website, you can access hundreds of instructional videos, printable worksheets, and a variety of early learning activities specially designed by master educators to teach young learners reading and writing foundational skills. To start your learning adventure, just select any of the tabs at the top of the homepage. On our videos page, you can access instructional videos and lessons that you can play on demand and on any device.
And even words like gum.
Your subscription gives you unlimited access and unlimited downloads, so you can watch any lesson, anywhere, and at any time. Parents and teachers can enjoy the comfort of knowing that their child or students are watching trusted instructional videos designed by master educators and learning experts. All lessons and activities on our website are backed by research on how children learn. From multisensory learning,
Nice job!
singing,
These are the colors.
interacting,
Where's the red apple?
playing games, and completing worksheets,
Race and read.
your child has access to hundreds of engaging activities. All our videos are flexible to meet your child or student's particular learning needs and unique learning styles. Every lesson is aligned to standards, so you can trust that the content of the lesson corresponds to what your child or students are learning in school. You can explore any video lesson you want, in any order, and watch each lesson as many times as you need. Imagine the power in being able to watch, play, learn, and practice as many times as you need to make the learning stick. Some of the videos include corresponding worksheets. Linked worksheets will appear here to the left of the video. You can watch the entire lesson and complete the corresponding worksheets with one of our credentialed teachers, or just interact with the on-screen activities. No matter what your child watches, you can trust that they are receiving quality instruction from an experienced master educator. Your child or students will love learning with our credentialed teachers. In fact, we make learning so fun, your child will think it's playtime. And that's not all. Your subscription includes access to our entire library of printable worksheets, activities, reading games, and resources. Our state-of-the-art, standard-aligned, and engaging printable resources provide easy-to-use handouts for extra learning at home or for educators to use in the classroom. You can find any resource you need to teach letter sounds, improve reading comprehension, learn sight words, practice handwriting, or get engaging activities to use in literacy centers. Explore individual worksheets that you can download and print with a simple click of a button. Or print out one of our award-winning bundle packs, giving you a new activity to use at home or in the classroom every day. With new videos and worksheets uploaded every month, a subscription will guarantee that your child or students never miss out on an opportunity to learn. Signing up is simple. Just click Sign Up from our homepage to create your account. Select the subscription level that is best for you. Fill out all your information and let the joy of learning begin. We can't wait to learn with you.